At X-Hockey Products, you always hear us saying built for players by players and built tough by X-Hockey Products. In these series of videos, we're going to show you why.
At Xtiles Products, we get a lot of questions around the durability of the tabs on the Xtiles. So I asked Bryce to come on in here, show us how these are built tough. All right, Sal, don't hit me, all right?
I won't.
Okay. There you go, a direct hit right on one of the tabs. Full on sledgehammer. We'll lay it back down. Hit with a sledgehammer. And the tabs still go together.
A consistent question that we get at X-Hockey Products is, can you drive on our Xtiles?
And instead of trying to answer that question, we'll take this tile into the parking lot and drive over it with a 3/4 ton truck.
As you clearly can see, the answer is yes, you can drive over our Xtiles.
When you see the X-Hockey brand, you know it's built tough.